Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Analytics. Google. Com and sign in with your Google account now. Create a new GA4 property for your WordPress site in the admin panel. Enter your website name, time zone, and currency during setup to match reporting. Complete the property setup and choose Web Data Stream to collect website data. Locate the measurement ID that starts with G and copy it for later use. Keep your admin email active and use it for property access and user management. Log into your WordPress dashboard and install a plugin for analytics integration. Use Google Sitekit or Header Footer Code Manager for easy GA4 setup. Activate the plugin and open its settings page to add tracking information. Paste the GA4 measurement ID that starts with G into the designated field carefully. Save changes and clear any site cache to allow scripts to load immediately. Return to the plugin console to confirm tracking status and initial data collection. Open your Google Analytics GA4 property and check the real-time report for activity. Navigate to data streams and enable enhanced measurement to track page views automatically. Link Google Search Console to the property for search query and landing page insights. Use Tag Assistant or browser developer tools to create a debug view and confirm events fire correctly. Configure conversions by marking key events as goals inside GA4 for clearer performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.